Hey everyone, Niagara Falls is an amazing place, and you could easily spend a few days exploring everything it has to offer. There's tons to see and do on both the American and Canadian sides. Now, the view of the falls is incredible from Canada because you get the whole picture, both the American and Horseshoe Falls. But guess what? There's a perk to visiting from the USA side. You can get super close to the falls. If you're only planning a one-day trip from the US, here's my suggestion. Start early. Park your car on Goat Island and hop on the scenic trolley ride. That will take you right to the Maid of the Mist boat tour, which is an absolute must-do. This way, you'll see the falls from up close and get soaked in the spray. Don't worry, they provide rain ponchos. Going to start exploring Niagara Falls? Then you gotta experience the Maid of the Mist boat tour. It's super popular, so to beat the lines, get there early. They usually open around 9 or 10 a.m., depending on the season. This way, you'll have more time for other fun stuff if you're only there for a day. Pick a seat facing the American side for the best views of all three falls. First up, you'll see the American Falls, powerful and beautiful. The water crashes down about 70 feet, creating a foamy white rush. Next comes the Bridal Falls, the smallest but still amazing. It's separated from the others by Luna Island. Then, the main event, the Horseshoe Falls. This is the biggest one, with water plunging down a whopping 187 feet over a massive 2,000-foot wide horseshoe-shaped crest. Get ready for a thunderous roar and a cool mist shower. It's an experience you won't forget. The Maid of the Mist tour gives you incredible views of all these wonders of nature, from the power of the American Falls to the delicate beauty of the Bridal Veil, and finally to the awe-inspiring Horseshoe Falls. This trip will leave you thrilled. In just a few minutes, you'll be surrounded by nature's power. Each waterfall tells a story of incredible strength and beauty, and the mist creates a timeless scene. This isn't just a tour, it's an adventure. It's your chance to get up close to the incredible Niagara Falls and experience them from the iconic Maid of the Mist. As the boat docks and the mist clears, take one last look at the falls. Remember the cool spray on your skin, the thunderous roar of the water, and keep this amazing memory close to your heart. The Maid of the Mist tour might end, but the magic of Niagara Falls stays with you forever. You can visit the observation tower either before you head out on the Maid of the Mist boat tour or on your way back. This towering edifice isn't just a structure, it's a gateway to an unforgettable experience. From up here, you can witness the raw power and natural beauty of the falls in all its glory. From here, you're treated to a front row seat to nature's grandeur. The cascading waters, the mist rising, and the sheer force of the falls are all on display from this vantage point. Prospect Point offers a unique perspective, allowing you to appreciate the scale and power of the falls up close. It's a moment to pause, to take it all in, and to marvel at the wonders of the natural world. Right, folks, we're here at Luna Island, smack dab in the middle of the incredible Niagara Falls action. Let's take a look at Bridal Falls first. See that cascade of water rushing down? That's Bridal in all its glory. See those brave souls down there? That's the Cave of the Winds tour, getting right up close to the cascading water. Looks like they're having a blast. Alright, let's not forget about the mighty American Falls over here. Check out the sheer size of it. Talk about a powerful force of nature. And behind the falls, you can just catch a glimpse of the observation tower. That's where you can get a truly incredible panoramic view of the entire Niagara Falls experience. Want to get even closer to the power of Niagara Falls? Check out the Cave of the Winds tour. This thrilling adventure takes you down an elevator 175 feet, right into the gorge where the Niagara River rages. They'll suit you up in a special poncho and shoes because, let's face it, you're gonna get soaked. Right up there is the hurricane deck, where you'll be standing just 20 feet away from the cascading waters of the Bridal Falls. It'll feel like being in a tropical storm, with crazy wind and mist blowing all around you. Over to Terrapin Point on the U.S. side of the Niagara Falls. This is as close as you can get to the Horseshoe Falls without actually getting wet. Just look at that incredible volume of water cascading down right in front of us. It's like we can almost feel the spray. The power of the Horseshoe Falls is incredible from here. The ground literally vibrates with the force of the water. While Terrapin Point gives us this incredible close-up view, don't forget to look around. You can see a huge stretch of the Horseshoe Falls from here, all the way over to the Canadian side. And look over there. See that little boat getting dwarfed by the power of the Horseshoe Falls? That's the Canadian Maid of the Mist Tour. Those folks are in for a truly unforgettable soak. We're heading to a spot that offers a totally different perspective, the Three Sisters Islands. These 3 islands are located just upstream from the falls in Niagara Falls State Park. As you can see, the view from here is incredible. The rapids churn and swirl with an unstoppable force, building anticipation for the majestic falls downstream. It's a truly awe-inspiring scene. Now that the sun has set, let's revisit Terrapin Point for a completely different experience. As you can see, the atmosphere transforms magically at night. The mighty Horseshoe Falls takes on a whole new persona under the cloak of darkness. Powerful spotlights illuminate the cascading water, turning it into a mesmerizing display of colorful light. The mist shimmers with an almost ethereal glow. Right, folks, that concludes our whirlwind one-day tour of Niagara Falls. But hey, if you have more than a day to explore, Niagara Falls has tons to offer. Here are some ideas to consider. Thrill seekers? Head down to Lewiston for the Whirlpool Jet Boat Tour. Hold on tight as you navigate the Class V whitewater rapids of the Niagara River right below the falls. History buffs? Journey back in time at Old Fort Niagara in Youngstown. Explore this 18th century military post and learn about the region's rich history. Family fun? Explore the aquatic wonders of the Aquarium of Niagara. Discover freshwater fish, marine life, and even sharks. Science enthusiasts? Learn all about the power harnessed from the falls at the Niagara Power Vista. Interactive exhibits and a virtual roller coaster ride bring the science of hydropower to life. Wine lovers, relax and unwind at Augusta Sun Winery and Vineyard. Sample delicious local wines and enjoy the beautiful Niagara countryside. Shopaholics? Treat yourself to some retail therapy at the fashion outlets of Niagara Falls. With tons of stores and brands, you're sure to find something you love. Canal connoisseurs, take a scenic cruise along the historic Erie Canal. You can even explore a section by underground boat tour, a truly unique experience. So whether you have a day or a week, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. I hope this video inspired you to plan your Niagara Falls adventure. Thanks for joining me, and happy travels!